choose every little things in the house with great care, and the most important thing is the quality. In the pipes manufactured by Sudhakar Group, maximum work is done on its quality. Not only quality, but Sudhakar PVC Product Private Limited is also famous for its innovative products and excellent customer service. Sudhakar Pipe is committed to manufacturing highest quality pipes in UPVC for UPVC underground drainage piping system, potable water supply, CPVC piping system, lead-free UPVC plumbing system as per ASTM standards, micro irrigation system and water storage tank, etc. Sudhakar Pipe's mission is to achieve sustainable and profitable growth through innovations and world-class product. The Sudhakar Group of Industries originated in Suryapet, Telangana, playing a significant role in supply of construction materials such as pipings and fittings, UPVC window and doors as well as wires and cables. Sudhakar Group also operate and manufacture from Nellore, Bhubaneswar and Ballari. The special feature of Sudhakar is its customer service, which is different from other organizations in many ways. Recently, editor of Plastics Today, Mr. Shiven Prakash Dwivedi, met Jayadev Meela, director of Sudhakar Group PVC Product Private Limited. Let's watch the interaction.
Tell us about Sudhakar Group, how it is started.
Yeah, Sudhakar Group has started by my father, Meela Sachinarayana, in 1971. Previously, he is a teacher. After that, he went to one small village. There he is doing the trading pulses and other items and getting to the town and selling that. After that 2 years, he has taken the one rice mill contract. After the rice mill contract, the government of Andhra Pradesh at that time, industries department has came to my father, put some industry other than rice mill. Then my father went to Bombay. They suggested department, there is no any PVC pipe manufacturers in Andhra Pradesh. At that time it's Andhra Pradesh. They given the some technical support starting. Government has given and they taken to the Bombay. And they suggested PVC pipe for electrical pipes, it is good. At that time my father bring the one mission from Bombay and they started a company name is Brimco. At that time Brimco is the good brand, it is there. It is a single screw extruder at that time. It came, but PVC means it is a plastic. People will think it is a plastic, it is a breakable. No one is not using PVC pipes since 2 years. Was very heavy trouble, abnormal trouble he got, and whatever we have invested 50,000 rupees at that time, we have invested in 1971, and State Financial Corporation has given 1,50,000 and Andhra Bank has given the 25,000 working capital. All the money almost they gone, and my father is very bad situation in that time financially. Then he went to he sold my mother's gold and everything. He invested again in there. There is a problem, some vastu it is there. Someone, Swamiji came and there he has suggested change the mission this side to that side. Then after that father sold that after the selling of the gold, and he has taken that money and again he has changed the direction of missions. Then government at that time there is we cannot import the PVC resin, no available in the PVC resin in India. At that time the government has given the license. Who is having the license, capacity is having the license of import material, and then we taken the government license and we brought the material from import material. The prices are very good. At that time after reaching the material we got the good money, and we went to the each house. At that time some towns went there. PVC means it is not breakable, it won't be anything like that. We given the assurance after the completion of your complete house, then only you give the money, we'll start it. Then like that my father has started. Up to 73, 74 we came out financial burdens, or 74, 75 financial burdens we came out. Then we have started another mission. We fabricated, copy the mission, and we have done it in in Suryapeta itself, my father and other workers. From there, continuation going on, we are changing the, on 1980 we entered in the water pipes. Before that, all electrical pipes we are manufacturing. At that time, per month capacity is 6 tons per month capacity. That also we are not producing full, 3 tons to 4 tons we are producing. And all my brothers and my uncle. In this, my father and my father's sister husband is a 50% each shareholders. My brother's name is Mama's name is Janardhan. My father's name is Sachinarayana. And he is just sleeping partner, but everything done by my father. We are having 3 brothers, and my uncle is having 4 sons. And all together we are doing the job now in this company only. And my 2 sons also, my brother's son, my son also doing this job. And the company is day by day what they are thinking. My father is told to my uncle, okay, we'll run the factory. Whatever the profits is coming, we should not remove the money in this company. Whatever generate the money, we have to expand the every year capacity increasing, like that we are decided. My father is both together. Then okay, no problem. Company is developing. It is a good thing. Then second mission, third mission, fourth mission, fifth mission, like that. So many, near about 5 missions we have fabricated. After that, Windsor has came new technology with new twin screw die. In that water pipe, higher diameter up to 110 mm. Previously, we are producing up to 19, 25, 20, 32 and 40 only. Above sizes we are not producing. When after the mission came of Windsor mission, first West Germany mission collaboration, RC100, that mission capacity itself 80 kgs per hour, which as we are having previous mission 19, 20 kgs. One mission is coming into the 80 kgs means we are surprised in 4 missions capacity in one mission coming. We are everyone is happy. At that time, compounding missions also different sizes. Previously, cooler mixers is different. After that, high speed mixers came. After the high speed mixers, compounding and everything is going fast. And we at that time with the PVC pipe, we went to the arranging the, no one is not taking, we are giving the credit after selling the pipes, only they are giving the money, like that we have build up our market share. Like that we are continuation going on. We started like that, my father has started that.
Tell us about yourself. When did you join this company?
I joined in end of the 1975. I joined, and my brother joined also. All we are joined because of the financial problems came on 74 onwards. My brother and myself has joined here. Okay. After that, I joined as a worker and compounding mission operator and all these things I done. After the 1978, when I want to go to the market, some health problem came in PVC pipe industry, compounding some cough and all these things. Then my father told you go to the Hyderabad, do the marketing. Okay. From there, 1978 onwards, I came to Hyderabad and we were arranging the dealer network, like that we are started.
Why did you choose a career in the plastic industry?
Yeah, that we don't know. That father has started that we have to run the unit. Plastic industry means people are telling at that time plastic industry is the breakable. But when it is came to that something we had to do, we done it. And continuity it is going on. We had to choose something and continue it is there.
What was the initial turnover when you joined the company and what is it now?
Initial when I am joining it is there that monthly maximum 2 lakhs will be there, means 24 to 25 lakhs turnover. Now it is near about to 2000 crores reaching.
What kind of product is your company and where is its extension?
Yeah, we are manufacturing of all constructional item like electrical conduits, sanitary pipes and fittings, electrical pipes and fittings, HDP pipe, water pipe and sewerage pipes and borewell pipes and all the fittings also, everything, and drip irrigation systems and other garden pipe and total plumbing we are having network, plumbing and including that CPVC pipes and fittings, everything we are manufacturing.
Okay. What are the special feature of your company?
Special feature means we are having the good brand network, and we are the supplies door delivery to all the dealers is our the specialization, and we are having the dealer network more than distributor dealer network. We are having 3,800 dealer network and near about to the 50 to 60 distributor network. From their distributor network, each distributor will have 150 to 200 dealers are there from them. Like that we are specialized in that. And we are the 5 states is the continuation doing the business, like Andhra and Telangana, Karnataka, Orissa and Tamil Nadu and part of Jharkhand, like that.
What is your vision for Sudhakar Group?
Yeah, within as per my marketing team, I given the message to my marketing team. Within a span of another 3 years, we have to reach 5,000 crores turnover. Okay. Now we are doing 2,000. After the 3 years or maximum 4 years, we have to reach 5,000 turnover, and we are trying for that. And one more main thing is we are manufacturing UPVC window profiles and electrical cables. Now we are starting one 9th factory at Madhya Pradesh near Ujjaini. It is Nellore town, Nellore and village. We are starting. Central government has given the land for lease. We have taken recently. Almost nearer to 1 year it is opening. Another 5 to 6 months we are starting that unit. It is a good 250 crores investing there. In there, all the types of PVC pipes, HDP pipes and fittings and everything, drip irrigation system, all the things we are arranging, manufacturing there.
Okay. What would you like to say to your customers?
Yeah, customer is always God. We are giving the good services to the customer. Whenever they are giving the order, only heavy season is there, it will take 2-3 days time. Otherwise, as per my condition, company condition, within 48 hours, we have to supply the pipes to them. That is every dealer is very much happy with us.
You have been the president of ECMA. What were your achievements during that time?
Yeah, when it is, I am the president and vice president and president, we have done the excellent plastic vision network. We have done it. Unbelievable network, we got it. And whatever the previous so many years plastic vision got, that in my vice president and president term is more than 300 times has developed, and this EPR and all these things also with the ministry and all these things, we have ban of the carriage, we are not at banning and all those things, and particularly the scrap will add in the roads. We have taken with the government, Nitin Gadkari, he has immediately has issued the GO. All the bitumen roads have to be use plastic waste, and all the cement companies which they are having the fire for this power, they have to use this plastic for burning of these things for power generation. That plus vision is we have done unbelievable, more than Plast India type we have done it. People are also, all the manufacturers also got good business, different states. We have each state and each visitor promotions and all the things we have done it. That is very, very excellent things we have done it.
What advice would you give to young entrepreneurs?
Yeah, plastic is an excellent product. Everybody is telling plastic ban, plastic ban. That is totally wrong. New generation has to come. Recycling industry can be sustainable for every recycling item they can. And no one should not tell plastic is banned. It is plastic is, if the total ban, all your petrol will be banned. It is coming in we are getting the petrol, after that only it is everything is polymer products is coming from there only. It is a ban means how morning when you are waking up itself, toothbrush itself, it is a plastic industry is required. It is all consumable item. Then when it is a consumable item, it won't stop. When the man generation is going on, it is plastic is required. Is abnormal varieties of plastics is coming. So much Reliance is doing so much research. Every year some products adding. Plastic industry, new generation has to be choose and start the units. It is the best thing for the new generation also.
What is the current status of plastic industry? What kind of growth is being seen in it?
Almost 15% is increasing of all the plastic industries.
Okay. What would you like to say about the plastic image?
Plastic imagine. It is a very excellent product, plastic. Yes. Only you don't think it is the only carry bag. Other than carry bag, so many plastic items it is there. Nowadays all the vehicles are coming into the plastic only. 80% of the body is the plastic.
Yes, yes.
And when you are using the plastic, mileage is increasing. When it is a previously car is coming into the almost 7 kilometers, 8 kilometers. Now high-end car itself, it is giving the 12 kilometers. If it is a small car, all giving it the 25 kilometers per liter. Okay. Plastic using all the automobile industry.
Yes, yes.
Polycarbonate using so many items, not one item. You cannot imagine that plastic, how much is developing. There is a plastic exhibition, how many stalls, different types of it is there. All young generation can see the exhibitions and they can choose what industry, what is the financial capacity of them and what they can choose.
What is your daily routine?
Sir, I will come to the office in the 9:30 morning and I am looking to the overall sales and finance. Finance means I will pay all the raw material payments, day to day what is happening. We are having the good network of the SAP system. Every day what is happening, everything we are doing that. And main thing mine is projects. Wherever the new project wants to come, I will choose the lands and all these things, and up to starting that, ending that, I will do that with my team work. We will completion that. That is my one major job. And after that also, day-to-day routine work. Nowadays 50% is going to the associations, and all the people are, so many people are there under me, and president, vice president, and all the people are doing that job.
What are your role models and why?
Sir, first of all, role model means when I entered, when I met Mukesh Ambani and Nikhil Miswani, at that time my production capacity is 600 tons. I am sit with him almost half an hour. General discussion, how is the plastic, what is that plastic, where are it using, all these things he is telling, Nikhil Miswani and Mukesh Ambani. No, next year how much you want to do it? Then I told another 10% or 15%, sir, 90 tons or 100 tons per month it will increase. Just don't do like that. You do always think for double. Sorry, it is very impossible. You think for that and you can get it. But still now it is not possible for double. But they are getting the double.
Yes.
That is my aim is there. If I do this year 2,000 tons, next year I have to come 4,000 tons, 4,000 crores. That it is not possible. My aim is like that.
Okay. What message would you like to convey to the plastic industry on behalf of the Sudhakar Group?
Sir, Sudhakar Group, all my team members are doing excellent work and day by day increasing. And we are now only in southern part only we are doing. After that we are entering north and west. We are entering that. All my team work has to do good network. That only. We are all family members. In my factory, so many people are more than 40 years working in that my company.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.